What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Hey everyone, Melly Mel here from Sincerely Creative Mom. Y'all, today I have been dying to make this super cute gingerbread wreath. We're going to do the same thing we always do, which is 12 twist ties, except for this time we're going to do 30 inch. We're going to do 30 inch mesh, 30 inch mesh. So if you've watched me before, I always do 12 twist ties. Ring 1, 2, 3, and 4. I take my first pipe cleaner and put it right around ring 1 and 2, right where the bracket is, okay? Right where the bracket is. So on this side, I'm grabbing those a little tight here. I don't want that to move. So I go around the 3rd and 4th wire and I grab it a little snug, just a little snug. Okay, so we have 12 twist ties, 6 on the inside 2 rings, right where the brackets are, 6 on the outside in between the brackets. So I've already cut them, the ribbons, they are 14 inches. We're just gonna go ahead and cut the dovetail together. Y'all, I'm always cutting right on that fold up to the top, okay? Cutting on the fold right up to the top. It makes that cute little V shape that just finishes off your ribbon and makes it look real nice. And then I still like to get these ready so that they're ready when I'm ready. So I always take my favorite ribbon and put it on the top, and then I'm just folding it to find the center. Now I'm gonna cut these in 30 inches. Okay, I'm gonna cut them in 30 inches. If we get to the end and there isn't 30 inches left, it's okay. So I'm just using my rotary cutter and my self-healing mat, and I'm cutting all 30 inches. So we have a 14-inch frame with 12 twist ties and 30 inches. We're going to do a little curl on the end, a little tiny curl on the end, tiny. That's just to conceal that edge in there, okay? And then I'm going to ruffle it all the way up, ruffle, 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 all 30 inches, all the way. And then I'm going to just do a teeny tiny, so this is about 6 inches or so. And I'm not going to roll the whole thing. I'm going to do a little roll here and a little roll there, and I probably got 2 inches or so left. And then I'm just going to gather the rest. Just like that. So we're going to do the same thing, a little tiny curl, tiny, tiny. I fold it like 2 or 3 times. Crunch up the center, crunch, 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 crunch. $30 inches on the mesh. So we used one full roll, one full 10-yard roll. Now, I'm just going to go ahead, because that's how I do, I'm going to go ahead and put my ribbons in. I'm using a 14-inch frame. It's a 14-inch frame. The frame came from the Dollar Tree, actually. They had a couple different colored frames. And just like I do for the pancake style, I'm just going to take this off. I don't need that excess, and I'm going to hide it anyways. So the ribbon is a one directional ribbon, meaning the gingerbreads all go one way. So there's no way to keep them all facing out, right? So one's always going to be looking good, one's always going to be upside down. It's all right. I might be the only one that notices. It's okay. But I'm also going to make sure that I continue to do a pattern. So here I did my butterfly wings side to side. Okay, just like this. Butterfly wing, side to side. Here I'm going to go up and down. Right in there, just like that. A 14-inch frame with 12 twist ties. We have 6 around the bottom, 6 around the top, even there. We use pipe cleaners, so we have 12 of those. We have our mesh is 10-inch wide mesh, and we cut it 30 inches long. On the outside 6, we did the butterfly wings. On the inside, we're putting them up and down. We have that first layer in. Now we're going to go back and add that second layer in. Right up the center, I put my favorite ribbon on the top. It's going to overlap really nice. I'm going to do the same thing. Twist those about 7 or 8 times. Cut off the excess. And I'm going to hide that little piece. So you see, even from this angle, my angle even more so, but those ribbons are sticking out just enough, just perfect, and this is coming out just perfect. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh! Look at how cute! Let's make a bow. Okay, so my tails on this one are going to be a little longer. I need them to at least be about that long, which is about 15 inches. So we're going to start with a very easy, about 5.5 inch, and then I'm going to pinch. I'm going to pull those apart, twist behind, make another loop that makes these about even. And then I'm going to continue to do 3 loops. 2 loops on each side. 2 loops on each side. Because why not? So I'm just going to go 15 inches. This one was 5.5. I'm going to do about 5.5 also. I'm going to do 1 loop on each side, just 1. Pinch, twist, loop. Pinch, twist, loop. Pinch, twist, loop. We're going to do 2 here. It's going to be a little smaller. Pinch. This one's a little thicker, so it's a little harder. Pinch. I pull those apart, so there's room back there to twist. Okay, full twist. Loop. Making sure those are about the same, just eyeballing it. Pinch again. Twist. Loop. Pinch, twist, loop, pinch, and twist. Put that right down in there. we're going to go one loop, pinch, pull apart, twist, loop, pinch, cut. Because, okay, if I come down, look at, they're upside down. That would drive me nuts. Okay, so I'm going to cut those off, just like that. And then I take my finger, grab it again, bring it down, leave about an inch there, and pinch it behind. Oh, actually, I'm going to put it going this way because it'll just be easier. Right, still, when I bring it down, right, I can see both going the right way. Super cute. Just gonna squeeze it down, and lift it all together. Squeeze it, don't let go. And then I just like to do one long stem. So I take a short piece and a long piece. And twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Bring all my tails down, down, down. I'm going to bring that one little thing just up to the center. Super, super, super cute. And then I'm just going to cut all these ends. Fold it. Cut to the edge. So now I'm going to take my pipe cleaners that are on the back of my sweet little girl here, and I'm going to put them right through the mesh and bring it down into the wire frame. Now I'm going to take that pipe cleaner from the bow, stick that right down in there. So I'm not covering her, you know, she becomes part of the gingerbread. There we go. There we go. Lots of layers in there. Look how pretty. That is super cute. So you're coming up to the door and you can see all the layers. All right. Bye, y'all.